Sir Neil, and I will be your host for tonight. And first things first, allow me to take this opportunity to acknowledge our principal sponsors and secondary sponsors. As I mention your name one by one, you can either stand or raise your hands to be acknowledged. And for the rest of the guests, let's show them some love by clapping our hands, please. Let's start with our principal sponsors. We have Analia King, Richard King, Loida Largo, Donalcer Largo, Reverend Alberto Valdez, Arlene Aledron. Ma'am, I love your energy and you look so beautiful. Thank you so much for being here. Next, let's move on to Maria Angelica Derayunan, Joel Derayunan, Anthony Derayunan, Famira Derayunan, Jenny Hodge, Robert David Hodge, Leah Gonzalez, Mary Grace Desengaño, Delphine Tabaco Jr., Lina Joy Cardinal, Evelyn Costillo, Glenda Alvarez, Emilio Alvarez, Rene Retiro, Mildred Baloyo, Hilda Senina, Zenny Ann Macasero, and Jose Roger Macasero. Once again, clap your hands, please. For our dear principal sponsors, your roles as second parents to Serge and Prolane officially begins tonight. So we will continue to hope and pray that you stay by their side to guide them and to share with them your wisdom about love and life in general. It's no secret that getting married is not a simple walk in the park. Do you agree? Agree, definitely. So these two will be needing all of your help, all of your prayers, and all of your guidance as they take on the new challenges that will come their way this time as husband and wife. Once again, clap your hands, please, for our principal sponsors who are very energetic. Maintain your energy until the end of the program, please. I need you. All right, next, let's move on to our secondary sponsors. For the candles, we have Alexis Anthony Alesna and Bona Alesna. Hi! Veil sponsors, Lance Desengaño and Rose Desengaño. Court sponsors, Carlo Bailon and Nicole K. Bailon. Next on our list, let's now give a round of applause for our best woman. And it's none other than Henrose Sieton. Hi! Our man of honor, Amiel Bautista. And last but not the least, the most important, are VIPs for tonight. And when I say VIPs, I'm sure a lot of you will assume that I'm referring to the bride and the groom. Is that correct? Since you said no, you are correct. It's a no, because when I say VIPs, I'm actually pertaining to the beloved parents of our couple, the people responsible for raising such amazing individuals we get to celebrate tonight. Let's start with the parents of the groom. Everybody please clap your hands for Mr. Henry Evangelista. And our constant partner at SM City Bacolod, may it be SM Little Stars, a raffle or a competition, she is always present even on a Sunday. Give it up for Ms. Rosie Evangelista! Nice to see you again. Next, let's move on to the parents of the bride. Please show the same level of love and enthusiasm as we welcome with a big round of applause, Mr. Alfredo Bautista Jr. and Mrs. Margie Bautista. We're off to a great start, and if you look around, we're only missing two very important people, and that's the bride and the groom. And they're going to join us in style. May I request everybody to please stand. Everybody on your feet. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome with a big round of applause, Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. Everybody clap louder, please! For Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. You may now take your seats, but please maintain your attention right here in front. Serge and Frolin, congratulations. Nice to finally meet the both of you. Yes, despite the bad weather, the turnout of your wedding is really overwhelming. Keep in mind, it's also a Monday. Not everybody celebrates their wedding on a Monday, but you opted to start your week right. And despite the busy schedules of all of your guests, you really know in your heart that they prioritize you both. Because it's wrong to say you don't have time. Alright? The only thing acceptable for me is if you say it's not a priority. But the mere fact that they're all here, that means you are a priority because they believe in the love that you have for one another. So congratulations! We're going to have a fun night and we're going to start with some dancing. Ladies and gentlemen, in occasions like this, the bride and the groom would always reserve a special segment to pay homage to their beloved parents. And we're going to start with our groom right here. Frolin, pahiram ng iyong asawa for a couple of minutes. Please join Glea as she assists you as you take your seat for a while. And Serge, kindly stay here with me. Congratulations, my dear. Can we give our groom another round of applause? Clapping your hands, standing up, sitting down, smiling. That's going to be your cardio for tonight. I'm so sorry. So please sustain your energy. Serge, before all of this happened, before you even crossed paths with that very beautiful lady right there, who now happens to be your wife, there's a special woman in your life who nurtured you and raised you to become the man that you are right now. And I believe that this woman taught you what unconditional love is all about. The kind of love that you practice with Frolin. That's why you were able to get her sweet yes and I do on this very special day. Ladies and gentlemen, to share the spotlight with a superwoman in the life of our groom, I want you to clap your hands very, very loud for none other than Mommy Rosie Evangelista. As we now have our groom and mother dance. Serge, please assist your beautiful mother on stage and enjoy this moment together.
The days come easy and the moments pass slow, and each road leads you where you wanna go. And if you're faced with a choice and you have to choose, I hope you choose the one that means the most to you. And if one door opens to another door closed, I hope you keep on walking till you find the window. If it's cold outside, show the world the warmth of your smile. But more than anything, more than anything, my wish for you is that this life becomes all that you want it to. Your dreams stay big, your worries stay small. You never need to carry more than you can hold. And while you're out there getting where you're getting to, I hope you know somebody loves you and wants the same things too. Yeah,
Once again, clap your hands, please, for the one and only Mrs. Rosie Evangelista. Mommy Rosie, Wipe your tears. It's okay. We understand. Occasions like this is always a roller coaster of emotions. But always keep in mind that you will remain irreplaceable in the heart of your son. Alright? Once again, clap your hands please for Mommy Rosie. Okay. Pralane, I did not forget about you. It's your turn. So come join me on stage. Serge, please be a gentleman to your wife and assist her as she joins me right here in front. All right, Pralane, I told you when I went back there that you look so beautiful. And I mean it. I'm honest when I see someone beautiful. I don't commend anyone if they're not. It's an honor for you to hear it from me. Kidding aside though, congratulations, my dear. This evening is actually symbolic because we're not just here to enjoy food, look beautiful and handsome. This evening is actually symbolic. You know why? Because you're moving on to a brand new role. You are now a wife. And that is a big responsibility. Acquiring a brand new last name is like acquiring a brand new personality. That's why it's very important that you pick the right partner who will take care of your heart for the rest of your lifetime. And lucky for you, it's not just Serge who showed you that kind of love. There's a special man right here who stood by you, behind you even, pushing you to become the best version of yourself. And correct me if I'm wrong, is he the kind of guy who gave you a lot of no's in the past? Or is he a yes person? He's a yes person because he sees your potential and he trusts your discernment. He knows that you can make responsible choices in your life. And tonight, consider this as your graduation as you move on to a whole new level in your relationship with Serge. But this night will not be complete without you having a special moment to the first guy you ever loved. Ladies and gentlemen, can you please join me as we welcome on stage none other than the father of the bride. Give it up for Mr. Alfredo Bautista Jr. Tito Alfredo, good evening again. Please join your daughter on stage and enjoy this moment.
Times in our lives, we all have pain, we all have sorrow. But if we are wise, we know that there's always tomorrow. Lean on me.
There you have it. Let's give another round of applause, please, for Mr. Alfredo Bautista Jr. Tito, enjoy the rest of the night, please, and please be careful as you descend from the stage. All right, Serge, join your wife back here on stage. The dancing is not yet over for the both of you. Earlier, when you entered the stage, you were prancing around, enjoying yourselves, of course. But that was not yet your official first dance. This is going to be the dance that everybody is looking forward to. Because I want you to take this moment to reflect on the number of years that you've been together. Think of the highs and the lows that you've shared as a couple, as boyfriend and girlfriend, because officially tonight, you're starting a brand new chapter as husband and wife. So please savor this moment. We're gonna take this slow, and ladies and gentlemen, feast your eyes as we enjoy our couple's official first dance. Give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista.
Never find another lover more precious than you, more precious than you. so stay close to me like my brother. You are the only one, my everything. And for you, the song I sing. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. Yes, I pray that you do love me too. All my life, I pray for someone like you. And I thank God that I finally found you. All my life, I pray for someone like you. Yes, I pray that you do love me too.
There you have it! Clap louder, please, for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. All right, let's now move on to our wedding traditions. Please face the audience. I know I'm beautiful, but we need to see them eye to eye right now because the next segment is very important. As we move on to this round or this segment of our wedding reception, I would like to open this segment by having our couple's prosperity dance. The prosperity dance is our way of wishing our couple a prosperous beginning to their married life. And even though this segment is associated with money, may you always keep in mind that it's not about the amount that you give. It may sound cheesy or showbiz, but I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Whatever amount you're willing to give, for as long as you give it from the bottom of your hearts, these two will accept with open arms. And aside from the monetary gifts that you brought, believe me when I say that it's only secondary. Your presence today, from the ceremony to the reception, that's the greatest gift you can offer these two. Am I correct? So give yourselves a round of applause. We are going to place one sash on the bride and one sash on the groom. I would like to assure you that this prosperity dance is legal. It is regulated and guided by DTI. Don't worry. If you forgot to withdraw cash, we are going to show the QR code on screen later so that you can send some funds for the couple. But kidding aside though, feel free to join our couple anytime on stage as they dance the night away. And if you need your red envelopes and pins, feel free to approach our coordinators as they go around, as they assist you one by one. Once again, can you clap your hands very, very loud for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista for their prosperity dance. Enjoy, guys.
haven't slept at all in days. It's been so long since we've talked, and I have been in many times. I just don't know what I'm doing wrong. What can I do to make you love me? What can I do to make you care? What can I say to make you feel this? What can I do to get you there? There's only so much I can take, and I just gotta let it go.
Serge and Prolene, can you face the camera as we take your photo with your sash full of red envelopes? May I request our guest accountants, Sam and Febby, to please come over and gather the monetary gifts of family and friends. We are so strict tonight. Okay, we're not yet done. We're just getting started. Up next, I want you now to stand beside your lovely cake on stage as we now proceed to the couple's ceremonial slicing of the cake. For everybody's information, the slicing of the cake actually signifies the readiness of the couple to face life together as husband and wife. And in ancient times, the cake also symbolizes good fortune and abundance that should be shared by everybody in this beautiful banquet. Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista, before you slice the cake, I have a simple reminder for the both of you. Keep in mind that the amount of cake that you're going to get will represent the amount of love that you have for one another. And another reminder, please be careful not to fall from the stage because you're too close on the edge. What's happening? Okay, hold on to the knife together using your right hands. And our goal for this segment is the bigger, the better. That's right, I heard someone. Make sure that you take a big chunk out of it. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. I would like to assume that you are envious of our bride and our groom because they're starting with our feast for the taste buds. Don't worry because in just a short while, it's going to be your turn to enjoy our sumptuous meal for tonight. For now, all you need to do is to sit back, relax, and all together, let's enjoy the love story of these two as it unravels right before our very eyes in this beautiful evening where we get to gather people close to the hearts of our bride and our groom. Please join me back at the center, my dear couple. It's time to eat. I know it's very hard to navigate with that big ball gown of yours, but please bear with us, Prolene. Okay. Mr. Evangelista, can you please do the honor of serving your wife? Serge, just a small piece of the cake, all right? Small enough not to ruin the makeup done by the amazing Miss Gail Goles. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands, please. Mrs. Evangelista, before you give your husband a piece of that cake on your plate, let me remind you that you woke up early to prepare for the ceremony and the reception. So we need to replenish the lost energy of your husband. He deserves a bigger portion of the cake, bigger than what you just had earlier. So open your mouth, Serge, and devour everything that is left on the plate in 60 seconds. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Clap your hands for our couple, please. You can enjoy the rest of the cake later. Kindly turn over the plate to Cap Alfie. Thank you, Cap Alfie. You're not allowed to use napkins or tissues to wipe off the icing on your lips, all right? Move a little bit to the center. I want you to use yourselves as human napkins by kissing. I hope you don't mind. Here's what we're going to do. I'll be needing your help. When I say kiss, these two will lock lips for 5 seconds. And I want you to count with me from 5 to 1. Is that okay? I can't hear you. Is that okay? Thank you, ma'am. Ikaw ang number 1 sa gabing ito. You're my new idol. Yes. Okay. Give it your all as we count for the couple. Ready? Kiss. 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 1. Congratulations, guys. They deserve another round of applause. Okay, up next, please hold on to your glasses, whatever it is that you have on your table. It can be water, wine, or an imaginary drink for some of you. As we now proceed to our ceremonial toast to be led by none other than our best woman. Please clap your hands for Henrose. Hi, Henrose.
Hello.
Before we all shout cheers for these two, what is your message for them?
Good evening. Let's all raise our glasses for Frau and Serge. May you continue to have a God-centered relationship, and we wish you the best. May you continue also to grow and bring happiness for the rest of your lives and for the future kids that you have. May you also find humor in the little things that you will be having in every day of your life, and always, always keep God at the center of your family, of your love. Let us all raise our glasses and cheers.
Cheers for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. Serge and Fraulein, hands intertwined and drink up. Thank you, Henrose. This segment is also a reminder for all of us that despite the fact that wine is bitter, we all know that if we allow it to ferment through time, it tastes even better. Just like any relationship that you're trying to nurture right now. For as long as you give it time to develop and you shower it with the right amount of love and patience, it will eventually become the relationship that you want it to be. These two waited for their time, and their time is now. Congratulations to the both of you. Now, I have another question for everybody, and please answer me as honestly as possible. Are you hungry? Kung pagkaon gani katunog sang sabat nyo, hindi ka na natin pa kamo i-remind. But it's okay, I understand. We can move on to the next segment of our night with empty stomachs. So definitely we're going to have dinner. But before we enjoy our meal for tonight, may I request everybody to please stand? To bless the food that we're about to eat, I would like to request Pastor Haniel Pendon to please come in front.
Dinilawig ang prayer. Let's pray. Lord Jesus Christ, thank you for gathering us to celebrate this milestone of Serge and Fraulein's wedding. Lord, we have witnessed your blessing over the union of these two souls who have went through a long journey in their relationship. We thank you, O God, for bringing all their families and friends together for this beautiful occasion in which your name is glorified. Lord, we ask you to bless this lovely couple and their journey together. We pray that they will grow to choose Christ-like love despite how hard the circumstances they will face in the future. And now that we are all gathered here, I pray that you bless this reception, bless our food that we are about to partake, and please bless our time together here. Let this day celebrate your love for the couple and our love and support for them. We thank you for everything you have done today. In Christ's name we pray, and all God's people say, Amen.
What fortune lies beyond the stars, those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept low. My heart beating, my soul breathing. I found my life when I laid it down. Upward falling, spirit
gentlemen, aside from the wedding of Serge and Prolane, tonight we're also celebrating two couples. Number one, the parents of the groom, they're celebrating their 35th wedding anniversary. Congratulations! And our best woman is also celebrating her 7th wedding anniversary tonight. So it's a triple celebration today. Congratulations. May you continue to stay in love and may you continue to believe in love. My next song is for you guys. I'm sure you know this one. An oldie but goodie song. Sing along with me, please. I want to hear your voices. Are you ready? Here we go. Moon river wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, moon river and me. Everybody sing. Ready? Here we go. Moon river wider than a mile. I'm crossing you in style someday. Oh, dream maker, you heartbreaker, wherever I'm going your way. Two drifters off to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend. My huckleberry friend, moon river and me. Thank you so much. For my next song, it's all about finding your last love. Who came here with their partners? Can you raise your hands? Are you here with your husband or wife? Your boyfriend or girlfriend? I'm sure you also pray that whoever you are with right now, he or she is going to be your endgame. the one who will be joining you until the end of your lifetime. So I hope, if you're not familiar of this song, listen carefully to the lyrics because this song is very, very beautiful. This song is for everybody who's in love right now. First time I fell in love was long ago. I didn't know how to give my love at all. The next time I settled for what felt so close, but without romance you're never gonna fall. After everything I've learned, now it's finally my turn. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The first time we walked under that starry sky, there was a moment when everything was clear. Yeah. I didn't need to ask or even wonder why, because each question is answered when you're near. And I'm wise enough to know when a miracle unfolds, this is the last time I'll fall in love. Now don't hold back, please let me know. Could I be moving much too fast or way too slow? In a lifetime, this is it, I'll never be the same. You'll never know what it's taken me to say these words, but now that I've said them, they could never be enough. As far as I can see, there's only you and only me. This is the last time I'll fall in love. The last time I'll fall in love. The last time I'll fall in love. Thank you. Is everybody full? Okay, after filling your tummies with our amazing food, this time, allow us to fill your hearts and your minds with some amazing words as we now proceed to our well-wishers for tonight. These people were handpicked by the bride and the groom to speak in front of everybody to share with us their words of wisdom about love and life in general. So it's going to be a learning experience, not just for Serge and Frolaine, but for all of us gathered here to celebrate love. Let's start. Number 1 on our list is none other than the best woman. She led the toast earlier. She has more words to be shared for all of us as we celebrate the union of Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. So everybody please clap your hands for Henry Rose!
Golpeado Yada ba? Anyways, my message for the couple tonight, Serge and Frau, I'm so proud of you. I'm so happy on behalf of our family. I'm so happy. We are really grateful for your love, for all the things that you've done together through ups and downs. What I want to advise to you for being in marriage for 7 years today is always, if you are under trials, always look back kung paano ka mo nagkilala, kung paano ka mo na in love, kag pray gid. Dumahibig. pray gid amo ginaya. That's the firm foundation for both of you being a Christian. Take note, always remember that we are always here for you. Frau, welcome to our family. You already have a big sister. I will always be here for you. Your Manong Jonathan and I and Stone will always be here for you. Kung awayon ka ni Serge, panugi tayon sakon. Kay ako bahala. But thank you for coming to our lives. Thank you for your life. May the good Lord bless you always and forever. Congratulations. I love you both.
Thank you so much, Hen Rose. And again, congratulations on your 7th wedding anniversary. We're just getting started with our segment for the well-wishers. Up next, let's now invite here in front, Arlene Aladron! My idol! Ma'am Arlene, I hope you don't mind if I call you Tita Arlene. Tita Arlene, you are so radiant, so beautiful, and so energetic tonight.
I love you.
I love you too. What if tayo magpakasal? Charing.
Frau and Serge are my, extended son and daughter. Yeah, they are the younger sister and brother of my children. Since they were kids and young people of Bethany at Royal Meadows. Can I hear the voice of Bethany? Oh, wow. That's God. Daw na dula man naging kurog-kurog sa akong nga tiil. Anyway, it's always a pleasure, to stand as a witness to the marriage of two lovely people. Yari. Responsible. Tungod kay nagka-work naman sila. They are capable of raising a family. And both are in love. Yeah. So to Frau and Serge, I gave you a book. That's the first thing that I have to tell you. I gave you a book para nga hindi na ako din magsigisang hada. Para nga hindi na ako din mag-waste ng time. So please read the book. The first book is, this is the gift. The first book is 101 Ways to Spoil Your Wife. The second is 101 Ways to Spoil Your Husband. So please read the book. Kaya amo na lang na, pati meron pa. Secondly, Pastor Neil Gagina naghambal that marriage is not always a bed of roses. Tuod ginaya, it's very true. Akong gana experience. Kay may ara ginaya mga disappointments, may disagreements, no? May mga sungguranay, no? Ang akon nga disagreement nga experience nga sungguranay, do tayo lang gani nag-lead to bulagay. Pero almost lang, way man madayon. So, share ko sa inyo ang ginhimo namon ni Tito ni Romel. we set a rule. Kinahanglan may rule. Kay between the two of us, sa amon nga relationship. Kung buot ko, huwag sa may reklamo da. Kung buot ko, mas buot siya. So, kinahanglan may rule kami. No? And the rule is, do not break the routine. Kung ano man da ang inyo yung daily routine, may sungguranay man da, may waay man da bugduhanay be, no? Kung ikaw ang nagatig-ang kun aga, tig-ang gid. Kung nagapuli ka sa gabi at 6 o'clock in the evening, puli gid at 6 o'clock. But if you can go home gani earlier, better. Kasi ang sitwasyon sa balay daw hindi mayo, no? So, puli igid sang regular. And tulog at the same bed. Hindi na mag-arte-arte, dahil nga matulog ka pa sa sala, matulog ka pa sa couch, no? Matulog ka pa to sa iba nga kwarto. Hindi na arte-arte. Dira na lang sa katre nga ginatulugan nyo, kay ti, yutay lang na kasintikanay isang inyo nga siko. Hiropay manadayon. No? So, kinahanglan, hindi tayo pagpasika ng chimpo. Life is short. So, kung may mga disagreements, say patch up, do not break the routine, and as much as possible, patch things up, ASAP. Life is short. So, sayang kung si kanta. And lastly, ito ginakulbaan ko pati Lastly, ang ginasilingid naton, kabay pa, or I think, or I guess, ang number 2 sa imo heart surge is Frau. And I guess, ang number 2 man sa heart mo, Frau, is surge. Because the rightful number 1 in your hearts should be Jesus Christ. He is the number 1 and should be number 1, the rightful number 1 in your heart. Put Christ at the center of your marriage. In any disagreement, kung may mga crossroads gani dira, sa una, we call it WWJD. I don't know if you still remember that. What will Jesus do? Basta may mga disagreements, may mga crossroads ka mga agyan, may mga trials ka mga agyan, WWJD. Because you will always be guided. So, as we send you off to your next chapter, we, the Bethanians, we will be sending you off with our support, our prayers, and our blessings. We love you.
Thank you so much, Tita Arlene. So, Serge and Fraulein, memorize the 202 ways of spoiling each other because you each get 101 coming from Tita Bing. All right, next, let's move on to Mr. Anthony De Rayunan, the singer in the house. We will now give you a microphone. Would you like to continue your song earlier? And reach higher notes? Sir Anthony, good evening. I hope you're having a great time. You've heard Tita Bing from a woman's perspective. This time from a man's perspective. What are your advices for these two as they embark on this journey together as husband and wife? Once again, clap your hands please for Sir Anthony.
Mayang gabi sa tanan. I'm Anthony De Rayunan, taga Bacolod Bethany Church. Manong nila ako kay bata pa sila. Anyway, bago lang ko ginhambalan, pero hindi ko gusto sa impromptu eh. Gasala ko. So, nag-google ko. Na-remember kong hambal ni Pastor Neil Kagina nga there's no perfect marriage. Sila gani 35 years na daw, every week kaaway. Though every week may disagreements, it's not really away siguro. Pero natandaan ko sa Corinthians 13, love is patient and kind. Love, etc. Ang isa sa point nga na-remember ko, love keeps no record of wrong. Every time nga si Cutie mahipos eh. Ara siya oh. Mahipos na siya. Ako, gusto niya pag-abot sa balay, mahipos. Kay teacher siya, all day long, gahambal siya. Ako naman niya, opposite. Ang work ko, 8 hours at tubang computer. Pag-abot sa balay, gusto ko mag-istorya. Magbakal eh, muna. Hindi na siya. Gusto niya tawhay. So, manataw ng Kimi TV. So, kung mga disagreements, listahon ko lang sala niya, kaya doon ko kumaba na tao. Pero hindi eh. Love keeps no record of wrong. Ginalimtan ko na, okay lang na. Okay lang. Pero the next day, love will overcome everything as long palangga mo ang isa ka tao. Amo na siya siguro ang amot na nagtiner na kami for so many years. Siguro amo na we respect each other. There's no perfect marriage. It's dali lang may ginkopya ko ito. There is no perfect relationship. It is how the imperfections that makes it perfect. So we always go back to the ones we love. Frau and Serge, we are happy that you two have met in the right place. I am rest assured, and the rest of us, I am rest assured, it's going to be Jesus Christ at the center of your relationship. God bless you, and I'm happy for both of you.
Thank you so much, Sir Anthony. And thank you, ChatGPT, for that quote. Thank you, Sir Anthony. Again, clap your hands, please, for Sir Anthony. Miss Cutie, are you the wife of Sir Anthony? Ay, a very good singer, mas Miss Cutie. May showdown later. Pero lang ka mo request mo overtime, tadi ko rin 10,000, di ba lang overtime? Sino mabayad? Okay, let's continue, ha? Let's finish everything first, and then we'll enjoy the rest of the night. Is that okay? All right, let's continue. We still have more people to go through. Up next, let's now listen to the message of Greg Magrasha. Greg? Hello, Greg. Good evening. Please join us on stage. Greg, what's your message for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista?
Sige. Serge and Madam Fro, congratulations on your wedding day. And I'm standing here in behalf sa mga doys, sa mga Francis Serge College. And we are so grateful. And congratulations, Gid, for this moment that you have. And I know, Gid, the journey will be so much fun. And the journey will be awesome, Gid, for the both of you. And today, supposedly, ang plan is to read all the messages sa mga doys. But then, ginanda ko ang messages nila, and it's so very heartful, at the same time, very long, and ang obrang ko na lang is isend ko na lang ang message sa inyo. But I would like to feature one message, and this message comes from a person nga layo ng proximity sa aton, kisaan na lang gid ni siya maka-communicate sa aton. But regardless, the love is still there for you, Gidoy, and for you, Madam Fro. So let me read the message from Meinhardt and Clarice. They are living in US right now. So hambal drin ni Meinhardt and Clarice. Dumduman mo pa sang una, of the night tahampang dota. Matyagan ko mag-uyabay ta. Daw si Mirana kabala, mag-sacred araw ka, gakaiguan mo akong tagipusoon. Tawganay tadoy, kabalo ka sang tuod nga buot silingon sina, definitely obsessive in love. Galing ako nagpa-Amerika, ikaw nagpa-Australia, maskin layo ay taduwa, ikaw man gyapon akon ginahigugma. Pero sa kamatuoran, nalipay ko kay nakita mo na ang tao nga imo ginapalangga. Tubtub sa kasuguran kag katapusan. Ikaw gid ang isa nga pinakamaayo nga tawo nga nakilala ko. Kabalo ko nga maging malipayon ang inyo pagupod sa bag-o nga yugto sang inyo kabuhi. Yeah. Sa Jackie America, ni siya subong pero Ilonggo ginang nga message. Let's go. Okay, Fro, Madam Fro. Salamat kay si Serge imo ginpili. Hindi ko ma-explicar kung ano kataas sang panulok ko sa akon nga amigo kay siya marespeto kag mapalanggaan na tao. And all of the doys could testify to that. And Serge is the happy Bill Gates sa amon nga grupo since college. Now, para sa inyo duha nga mag-asawa, malipayon kag mapuno nga pagpanghimaayo sa inyo nga palaabuton. Kita ay tadason, Meinhardt and Clarice. So once again, congratulations, Meinhardt, Serge and Fro, and praying for God's favor upon your married life. Again, congratulations.
Thank you so much. Again, clap your hands, please, for Greg Magracia. Thank you, Greg. Last but not the least, to complete our well-wishers for this evening, this time, let's listen to the message of Champagne de la Cruz. With so many supporters! Champagne, I saw you. You were singing along with me earlier. Thank you so much for the support. Hi, Champagne. You have a very unique name. Champagne, come up on stage, please. How about you, my dear? What's your message for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista?
Well, actually, no, kagina, nakita ko nga 3 gid ka taga-bagatan ni ang naghatag-message. So, doon kulbaan ko, feeling ko kailangan, nami-namion ko ginakon message. So, last minute, ko nga changes sa akon nga message, no? And na-inform ko nga dapat, do Bethany style, kuno kalawigon akon message. So, pagpasensyahan niyo ko, ha? So, anyway, to start off my message, opposites attract. I've always had doubts about that phrase since ang una pa, no? Hindi na sila ihan mag-clash kung may sila mga disagreements, hindi sila ihan disagree on the littlest of things. Pero today, those doubts have faded away. Growing up with the Bethany young people, si Manang Frauya, isa rin siya sang amon mga manang-manang gino, siya ni ang Maria Clara sang amon nga group. Soft-spoken, dalagang-dalaga, kag very polite and kind ginamanang sa amon si Manang Frau. Kag, lantawa bala ng isa, amon siya nga klase manang namon. So imagine may surprise kung sang nabalaan kung sila ni nga duwang nagdayunay, ha? Kay si Sergia, naging friends kami nang pasulod pa lang ko college that time. Nakilala ko siya as a very lively, very funny, kagang energy niya is through the roof, gidya. As mentioned earlier by the Doys, nga ikaw ang ilang happy pill, correct? So, amo na, mga close friends si Sergio, makatestify na iya kung tungod sa kalawigon, yung sa pag-updanay niyo. So, gets niyo na ang ginanamin ko. So, you see, very opposite gitang ilang personalities ni Serge kanima ng Frau. But they have proven to me that the phrase opposites attract is in fact true. And why is that? It's because although their personalities are opposites, they are able to heighten each other's strengths and cover for each other's weaknesses. Kung nagahuya-huya or medyo nubo ang confidence ni Manang Frau, si Serge arada to boost her confidence. Kung si Serge troubled siya or confused siya with decisions in life, si Manang Frau arada to guide him towards the right decision. Both of you have the power to embolden and encourage each other. You have promised to be each other's support at the altar today. So we look forward to seeing the marriage that God has written down for you both. Serge, palanggaon mo gid si Manang Frau, ha? Nang, di ba hambal nila, the way to a man's heart is through his stomach. So pakaunon mo gid si Serge parang magdako pagidang iya pagpalangga sa imo. Amo na iya, Serge, ha? So Serge and Manang Frau, I pray only for your love to grow stronger as you face life's challenges together. Congratulations, and I love you both.
Thank you, my dear. Thank you. I was so nervous.
Why?
I was actually watching over you because I was thinking na pila na lang ka-steps, madagdag ka na sa
Ay,
steps.
Diyos ko!
Backing ka kasi ng backing. Oo, you gave me anxiety tonight. Thank you,
for watching out for
Champagne.
me.
Thank you so much. God is watching over you as well. He's just using me as a medium. Clap your hands, please, for Champagne! To all of our well-wishers for tonight, thank you for the lovely words. Thank you for the lovely advices that you've shared. And to those of you who weren't able to speak in front of everybody, ladies and gentlemen, take advantage of the gift of technology. You can always reach out to Serge or Fraulein if you want to share words of wisdom for them to carry as they continue their journey as husband and wife. Can we give another round of applause for Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista? All right, we're done with the messages. Up next, it's time for us to play a game. A game that will test how much do you really know our bride and our groom. They handed me random questions about them. And the golden rule, if you want to participate, is you need to come in front. You're not allowed to raise your hand and shout out your answer. You need to come here first. I'll give you the microphone, and if you are correct, you will be going home with one of our special packages for tonight worth 10,000 pesos. Yes, galit kami sa pera ngayong gabi. Let's start. Again, you're not allowed to shout out your... Very good, children. Here's question number 1. Ano ang nickname ni Serge kay Frau? Just come in front, Tita Arlene, ikaw ba na nag-guess? Ikaw wala nag-follow instruction. Ano ba yan? Tita Bing, no need to come up on stage anymore because it's going to be very dangerous. A lot of people will be rushing in front. Tita Bing, what's your answer?
Madam.
Madam is correct. Stay put. I'll be calling you together with the rest of our winners as you pick your prize for tonight, all right? So for now, kindly return to your seat. I will gather everybody at the end of the last question to provide you with your packages for this evening. Next question. Ano ang nickname ni Frau kay Serge? Napaka-competitive naman ni Hen Rose. Hen Rose, halini pala sa inyo ang prize. Hen Rose, what's your answer?
Choi.
Choi? Choi? Choi or Choi? Choi? Choi is correct. Sino ulit nag-type ni Choi? Sala yun eh. Okay, question number 3. Hen Rose, I'll call you later ha, together with Tita P. Question number 3. Sa diin niya country, kung hindi niya pag hindi niya mag-gets, amput na lang. Tita, nag-aog ka na. Let's give chance to others. So sabi ko, answer kapag if you've already won, let's give chance to... Yes, my dear, would you like to answer without me completing the question? Come here. Try your luck. Just try your luck. You're so cute. What's your name? What's your name? Hi, Jessa. Jessa, since you're very adorable, I will complete the question for you. Huh? Sa diin niya country nag-prenup si Serge and Frau. Aside sa Philippines, of course.
Australia.
Australia is correct! You're one of our winners. Stand by, please. Okay, question number 4. What year nag-start LDR si Frau and Serge? What year nag-start LDR si Frau and Serge? Go! Yes, sir? What's your name?
Cyril.
Cyril, what's your answer? 2019 is correct! Congratulations! You are now part of our top 10. Okay, next question. Sa diin ang first date ni Frau kag Serge? Yes, cousin! Halika dito! Come here. Ibigay mo na. Do you need a clue? No need. Go!
Mang Inasal.
Convincing! Correct! You are now entering the top 5 for this evening's competition. Okay, next question. Question number 6. Pila ka kids ang gusto ni Serge and Frau? Grabe, the competitive side of everybody is coming out. First to come in front! Tebi, I know kliyentita ka sa December pero nauna siya. Bumalik ka muna doon. No. Sa next question ka na lang, hello my dear, what's your name? Aimee Marco? Sorry. Aimee, would you like me to repeat the question? Or do you know the answer already? 3 is correct. Pasok ka na sa top 10, Aimee. Oh, next question. Question number 7. Sa diin ma-honeymoon si Serge at si Frau. Go. Yes, baby! Pamilya, giniyang mag-other sa... Jonathan, kag Henro, salinin mo sa pamilya yung prize. Kamu manggali makwa. Ay, wala na na games. Yes, baby, what's your name?
Stone.
Stone? As in ba to? Taray. Stone, what's your answer?
Australia.
Correct! Uy, mga pamilya, sang couple, hindi ako mag-join. Bigay na natin to sa guest, oh. Mga taga-Bethany, mga taga-DTI, mga classmate before, pa-experience man sa ilang prize. Okay, next question. Question number 8. Pila ang age gap ni Serge and Frau? Si Shampoo. Ay, nagtiliil. Gito si Shampoo. Shampoo parang may amoy. Shampoo, what's your answer?
2 years.
2 years is correct, my dear. Second to the last question. You need to double time if you want to win one of our packages for tonight. Oh, Ari, it's very easy. Ewan ko na lang talaga. Be careful ha, in case you decide to stand up and run in front. Be careful. Don't push one another. Nga nag-aubra ka mo question niya inyo. Diin nagkilalahay si Serge and Frau! 5! Miss Cutie, would you like to... Alam ko, si Miss Cutie, nag-raise ang ha. Hindi, Miss Cutie, I'm so sorry because you did not follow the rule. You raised your hand. I love you, Miss Cutie. Feby, ano ba, naghikaos na ba kayo? Ba't ka sumali dito sa game na to? What's your... Matinding pangangailangan. What's your answer?
Sa church.
Dapat specific?
Sa Bethany.
Correct! Ang mga nag-assist sa couple, sila man nag-answer. Ano ba yan? Last na talaga to. Napaka-unfair. When... Oh, I need the date, the month, the date, and the year for this one, okay? When ang first date ni Serge and Frau? First date. Month, date, and year ang kinanglan ko. It should be complete. When did the first date happen? Anybody? I'll give you a clue. Is it okay if I give a clue, Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista? The month? The month? Yes, ma'am. Oh my God. Ma'am, you look so mayaman. What's your name?
Glenda.
Ma'am Glenda, ang pinakamakinang. Glenda de la Cruz. Ma'am Glenda, what's your answer? Would you like me to give you a clue or are you sure with your answer already? Sige, try your luck.
February 14.
Gabi naman sa 19. Ano ba yun? So mga 2 years old sila, nag-date na sila. Oh, liwat. Go. Feb 14.
14, 2017.
Correct! Congratulations to all our winners! Honesty is the best policy, di ha? To all the winners, can you please come here? Come close to the stage right now. To all our winners. To all our winners, please come in front now. We have Tita Bing, Ma'am Glenda, Champagne, Jessa, Henrose, Stone, Cyril, Sam, Feby. Hala, I forgot your name. What's your name, gani? Aimee. Okay. Complete 10 ka mo. Let's go. Hala, wala ka, friends. Wala kasi na natupad. Sino mo? Ako yung matupad kay Tita Bing. Tita Bing, help me count. Nanay kung pila sila kabilog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you're the 10. Okay. Winners, we have your packages here in front. Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista, ano gusto nyo? Mapalugba sila kwa? Or mapili sila? Mapili sila. Sige, based on the sequence kung sino na lang nagdaog. Can you still remember? O ikaw, syempre, number 1 ka. Syempre mo, tandaan mo, Gid. Parang hindi ka naman naawa. Okay, Tita Bing, kindly pick a package. We will only accept your first choice. So we have, Tita Bing, before you pick all the packages, let me read ano the packages so that everybody can hear me and know kung ano mga packages that we have. We have the hair and body treatment package, skincare package, whitening package, relaxation package, kitchen package, fitness package, hygiene package, self-care package, dining package, and Starbucks package. So, anong gusto mo? Pick one. Okay, please go to the center now. It's time for the reveal. Orang panay, Tita Bing! Let's take advantage of our runway! Okay, Tita Bing, Can you please show everybody the package that you're holding? And I want you to open it in front of everyone. Let's see what's inside your... What's the package that you got? Relaxation package. Let's see, what do you have inside? Show it to everybody. Oh, Ife cassette oil! Perfect! Perfect for tonight, Tita Biggie, kaulan, pangadaan. What else? Is that it? Congratulations. The paper bag is yours. Recycle it, please. Thank you, Tita Bing! Next, who is our next winner? I forgot. Sige, ano na lang si Ma'am Glenda? Na lang unahon. Okay lang. Tita Glenda, kindly pick a package. Let me assist you. What package do you fancy? Whitening package? Oh. Please, use the... Tita Glenda, you need to take advantage of the runway. So please, isang rampa naman as we take your photo. Glenda! 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 Okay. Ma'am Glenda, show them the package that you have. It's a whitening package, and inside your paper bag, you're going home with... I got Ariel! Wala mong bigin specify kung whitening sa skin or sa clothes. At least, yeah. It's raining. If you have stored rainwater, manglabana tonight. Thank you, Tita Glenda. Miss Glenda, please be careful. Okay, next. Hen Rose, would you like to go first? Or si Stone, Anay? Stone, please pick a package. What do you want? Wala si Mama, gidya nagpili. Oh, grabe naman si Mama. Okay, sige. Come here, Stone! Stone! Walk through the runway. Yes! Okay, Stone, open the package. Stone got the kitchen package. Let's see what's inside the bag. What do you have, Stone? What's that? Oh, dato puti. What else? Is there more? Hoy, may patis! May langgaw, may patis. Manok na lang kagbaboy ang kulang. Pwede ka naka-adobo. Thank you so much, dear. Alright, next. Hen Rose, it's your turn. Dear, dapat i-match mo ang package mo sa son mo para na lang, dining package. Go. Nakakaloka. Kitchen and dining package for the family of Hen Rose. So, Jonathan, this is for you from your wife. Abe, let's see what's inside the dining package. Ano? Uy, balunan? Di ka ma-dine, take out pala ito. You can use it to Sharon later. Congrats. You're so prepared tonight. Congrats. Next, Cyril, would you like to go first? Or gusto mo maging gentleman and allow the ladies to go first? O siya na lang. Hindi siya gentleman galing. Sorry, Cyril. Pick a package, Cyril. May mga supporters si Cyril. Where are you? O, Cyril Rampanay, go! Cyril, what package should you get? The Starbucks package. Let's see what's inside. What's your guess? Abe? Show it. Kopi ko Blanca! Electric kettle na lang gidya kag tasa ang kulang, Cyril. Cyril, imna na tanan karon and don't sleep for 3 days straight. Congratulations. Savor every granule of Kopi ko Blanca. Next, okay, champagne. Kindly pick a package. We only have 4 left. Okay. Self-care package. Oh, go. Hala, champagne. Let's see what's inside the bag. Champagne you're going home with. Hala, oh my God. What's inside? Wet wipes. Part of your self-care package, my dear. You need that kaya kagina nagtiniil ka. So, i-wipe na sa dapa-dapa for tonight's video. Thank you. Jessa, it's your turn. Hala, ay, hindi ikaw gidya malas. Jessa, anong package yung gusto mo? Fitness pa... Ano kakaloka? Go, Jessa! Show them what you got! Jessa as Riza May D-Zone. Jessa, wala pa ko lang ba, Jessa? Nga open, bala. Jessa got the fitness package. Jessa, what's inside your bag? Let's see. Fitness package pala, ha? Hala, water bottle! Depende mo kung water, ibutang mo mga salad, mga adobo. Ikaw na bahala. Your choice, malaki ka na. Thank you, Jessa! Sam, pick a package. Nag-expect, hambala nila kaginaw, paintahan mo kami kay kanami, bala sa mga gift, wala sa... Abi ko pala, seryoso ka mo. Kasi nirampa mo yan. Maging pahiya ang pamilya natin dito. Yes! Ano ginawa mo, Ming? Hair and body treatment package. Let's see what's inside. Wow, Pantene and Bioderm! Pantene is perfect for hair fall problems. And Bioderm for the derm and the bio. Thank you. Okay. Baby, oh, wait lang. I'll give you a chance to talk to each other. Kung ano dang preferred ninyo. Nagkasundo na kayo. Buti naman. Feby, let's start with you. We only have the skincare and the hygiene package. Okay. Feby, nampay sa na yung Feb. Go, Feb! Yes! Uy! Girl, do ka. Ano na gano'n dapat? Do ka. Ano na gano'n? May bunker? Ano na gano'n? Deal or no deal? Okay. Feby, buksan na yan! For the hygiene package, you're going home with... What's your guess? 1 million? How about the other side? Wow! Toothbrush and cotton buds. Wala na naman na naghatag toothpaste, hindi na kinompleto. Thank you, Feby. And last but not the least, thank you, Feb, the beautiful Aimee. Oh, Aimee. I don't think you need that. You already have beautiful skin. You got the skincare package. Okay, stand in front and let's see what's inside your bag. Aimee, buksan mo na! For the skincare package, you're going home with... Wow, what's that? Oh, a Dove soap! Aimee, pwede ka nakapaligo now. Thank you, Aimee. Hoy, clap your hands for our winners. Thank you, Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista, for your generosity. Grabe talaga. All right, another special announcement. Why are you parking illegally, huh? Driver of Expander is not Toyota, it's Mitsubishi. Mitsubishi Expander with plate number FAE4092. Are you here? Hala, sorry, gitito. Nagabutan ka sa raffle. You're going home with a Mitsubishi Expander with plate number FAE4092. Congratulations. Okay, next on our program for tonight. This is also the perfect opportunity for us to find our next bride and our next groom. Do you agree? Do we have a lot of single people present here? Ano, Tita Bing, wala nila ginaamin yung single sila. Are you single? Really? Oh, so are you joining the game? Hindi ka na mag-join sa game. Tita Bing, ang mga bones. Ano ka ba? Sit down. Okay. Where are the other single people aside from Tita Bing? Just to make it clear, Tita Bing is single. Sa mga ka-age group ni Tita Bing, chance nyo na to. Serge and Frolene, can you join me on stage? I need your help. Okay. I'll give you two options, ha? We can call all the single people in front, or you can nominate one man and one woman to do our consequence for tonight. Hindi ka mo ang ma-decide, sila. But you can suggest, my dear, dito to sa front, hindi taliguro kaigo. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista, which do you prefer? Shall we call all the single people, or are you going to nominate one man and one woman?
Call all the single people.
We are going to gather all the single people. Let's start with a single gentleman. Serge, would you like to do the honor of calling them one by one?
Si Giles Largo.
Cham Cham. That's it.
Duwa lang sila. Grabe naman. Napaka-limited pala ng choices. So it's Giles? Giles and?
Cham Cham.
Go! Ay, si Champagne! Galing namin nyo!
Champagne.
Champagne, are you in a relationship with God? Not yet. Mr. and Mrs. Bautista, they're in favor of this union. Correct, tita and tita? Oh, napalike si tita. Mali dito. Oh, go. But do you know each other? You're from... Friends na sila kung sa church.
From date.
Prom date pagit? Pungkuan. Sorry, hantaning history nila. Okay. Number one, information that we know, they both came from the same church. Correct? Second information, they were prom dates. Hello?
PLDT babies. Also.
Ano ba? Anong additional nga information?
PLDT babies. Parents are from
Okay.
PLDT.
Abi ko nagwa sila sa telephone. Mga PLDT baby ka naman.
Sa wire.
All the parents worked at PLDT.
Yeah.
Nakakahinay sa internet, PLDT. Dahil ba to kay Champagne and Giles? Sorry. Oh. So childhood friends na kamo yung anaan? Same age ka mo. Sinong older? Si Giles. How old are you, Champagne, if you don't mind? 28. How about you, Giles? 20. Ma-29 ka, ma-28 ka pa lang sa September or ma-29 ka na. Oh, September ano ka? Uy, parang sa September ako 15. Yes. Okay, Champagne and Giles, another question. Are you really single or do you have a girlfriend? Hala, nag-smile si Giles. Nakakaloka.
Single.
Basiyak ka mo lang yung wala ka baluya. May girlfriend niya gali si Giles. Giles, once and for all, sagutin mo na ang nagbabagang tanong ng Bethany Church. Are you really single or not? Single! Hoy, dito pala sa baba. Champagne and... Guys, come on. Stay there lang, stay there. Come here. Because this is what we call foreshadowing. Okay. Champagne, mabalos si Champagne sa kasal nila ni Giles. Hala! Bilis ang pangyari. Champagne, how about you? Are you really single or are you dating someone very special right now?
Truthfully?
Yes. Truthfully, because ari ba lang mga taga-church dapat honest.
Yes, kumada.
Si lagi dyan sapat for you. Si Champagne ba na Serge? Gaanta man siya si Champagne, no? Nag-guest na di siya sa Christy Fermin, hindi mo na napapansero. Okay, Champagne, what's your answer? Are you really single? Yes. Alam mo, may nag-cheer para sa imo. Liwat, are you single? Yes. Cheer! Okay. Giles and Champagne, I hope you don't mind if you do the garter consequence. Is that okay sa Bethany Church?
Yes.
Hindi ko na nipag-sugarcoat. Prangkahan niyo kung okay.
Alam mo, pastor.
Kaya kung hindi ni okay, malantaw na lang ta movie. Ma-watch sa subong sa Netflix, as in, sa LED. Si Tita Bing kay Strong, kay Tita Bing na kay Love, Tita Bing, okay lang yung mag-garter-garter sila, Tita Bing. Uy, wala pa galing Tita Bing. The parents of
Giles.
Giles.
Here.
To the parents of Giles, are you in favor of this union? Hala, naging pastor na lang ganyan. Tito and Tito, okay lang mag-play si Giles with Champagne. Ano lang, lahog lang man, di ba? Tito and Tita, support niyo ko para mahuman. Correct? Okay. Ang parents si Champagne, wala diya? Wala, hindi sila invited. Ano ka sa... Sorry, Champagne. Don't be sad. Charis. Okay, are you wearing the garter right now, dear? Okay, we need a chair. Champagne and Giles, banding kamutanay. Panilo ka muna sa likod stage. Go. Mrs. Evangelista, maupo ka. Give me the microphone, my dear. Okay. Ba ako ba si Kigan ko nila? Charis. Okay, Serge. It's your task to get the garter from your wife's leg. Where did you place the garter, my dear? Left leg or right leg? Right leg. Okay, may a request. Again, let me repeat, let me be clear. This is just a question. Okay? I'm not suggesting this is just a question. Serge, how would you want to get the garter? With or without hands? With hands. The question was answered. Okay lang, tanan? Okay, with hands. Okay, Serge, please do the honor of removing the garter from your wife's leg using both of your hands, the left and the right. Okay, would you like us to play a sexy music in the background? Ready? Yes, Tita Bing? Yes, music please, DJ June! Yeah, alakadasig! Pila na kamo gani ka years together? 7 years. It shows. It shows. Thank you! Oh, nagabanding na balaliwat si Giles si Champagne. Ano ginastoryahan nyo? Padayon nun, tapan niyo or dila na lang kamo? Ako to na mo ng chair. Dalon din. Oh, Champagne, come here. Giles. Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista, excuse us for a while. Uy, assistan si Bride because the gown is so big. Serge, kindly turn over the garter to Giles. Please don't take a video of this game because maraming nalalaman si Champagne. Kailangan na siyang itumba. Okay, Giles. Ikaw na nagamba kay Champagne sang ginhambali sa akon? Or... Wala chismusa, di ka si Champagne. Wala sige ikaw balo. Ikaw ko balo kaya. What's wrong? Okay, Champagne, have you done this game before? Uy, gain nyo ang tissue si Champagne! Grabe, gusto mo ba ng water, wine, perfume? Hindi, parehos lang ta, dear. That's why we need tissue. Manra po, anay si Champagne so that she can be fresh sa mga photos. Nailanan. Okay, Champagne, use the tissue na, my dear. Guys, Sir Anthony, nag-super watch ka ba layo? With the support of the, is this your daughter, Sir Anthony? Buong family, kaya ang nag-support kay Champagne and Giles. Pero natawag ng parents, bakit ka-support man sila. Okay. Uy! I-delete lang kuno karon, i-delete lang karon. Kaya i-review lang nila kung doon kasadya. Okay, Champagne, is this your first time to do this game?
Oo, kay ginalikawan ko usually sa kasal.
Giles, how about you? Is this your first time to do this game? Hala! Grabe. Grabe talaga si Giles. Very experienced. Giles, since it's Champagne's first time, be gentle with our baby girl. Where do you want to place the garter, Champagne? Left leg, right leg, or both? Muna yung palda. Left leg or right leg? No, leg dapat here. Kasi syempre kung panguluyagan ka sa lalaki, dapat from bottom to top, ginaya nga pag-effort. Oh, so ano gusto mo? Left leg, right leg?
Sa right na lang.
Right leg. Giles, since expert ka naman, close your eyes. Close your eyes. Place the garter until the ankle of Champagne. Yeah! Wait pa. Until the ankle pa lang. Champagne, malapot. Kinig ko sa gallbladder mo. Relax. Okay. Giles, take your time, ha? Uy, hindi. Champagne, let go. Let go. Please relax. Giles, our goal is for the garter to be above the knee of Champagne. Everybody, I need your support. Can you shout higher? Higher! Oh, practice pa lang to. Practice pa lang to. Give it your full energy when I say go na. Okay? Ready? Get set! Go! Higher! 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 Okay, stop the music. Kanay DJ June. Grabe. Tingala ko man siga sa gamay. It's not his first time. Ang bilis. Umabot agad sa... The garter is now above the knee. Do you want it higher? Ang mga taga-church, payabal ang suggest bala. Tita Bing, ho? Anong tawanan ni Tita Bing kung diin na? Ay, hindi man na above the knee. Unfair. Not following instruction. Oo. Gipapanaog, kay gusto yung suliton. From the top. So sabi ko from the top. Okay, guys. Everyone, I need your suggestion. Mga pila pa ka-inches? Si Soching kasalang ruler, gidyang kalabaw lang yung gusto. Do you want the garter to be lost in the internal organs of Champagne? Uy, realistic. Mga between 1 to 5 lang. Super OA. Si OA pala invited kayo. Relax ang wala ko bala si. Hello, mali. Sige, ha pa. Dali, anak na balas ako. Okay, ready? Guys, mga 3 inches lang. Okay lang. But this time, guys, take it slow, please. Makount from 1 to 10. Ha? Count with me. Ready? Oh, wait. May suggestion si Tita Ben.
Tender and slow.
Tita Ben, kabalo kami kaulan, subong, pero hindi mo. Okay. Hindi ako mag-comment. Okay, ready? 10 seconds, girls, ha? Don't let go of the garter unless we're done counting. Are you ready to count? Sabat ka mo. Are you ready to count? Okay, ready? Go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Thank you so much. Champagne and girls, thank you very much. We need to take a photo with you and Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. So stay there for a while. Ladies at the center, gentlemen on the side. Giles, diri ka sa tupad ni Champagne, please. If you don't mind. Oy guys, hindi nyo na napag-share online ang mga video ni Champagne yung ni Giles ha. Ano lang na for GC purposes. Pumanglibak lang ka mo. Smile. Thank you, Champagne. Thank you, Giles. Giles and Champagne, I hope you end up together. I hope you tie the knot soon. Hala, Serge, wala na kiss. Hindi pa sila kasal. Hindi pwede. Ano, nakilig si Champagne. Thank you, Champagne. Alright, may I request everybody to please settle down. We're getting closer and closer towards the end of our program. But before we call it a night, and before we enjoy the rest of the evening, may I request those people at the back, if you want to move closer, feel free to do so. We have empty seats for you to occupy. Because up next, we're going to watch the final output of our amazing photo and video team. And let me share with you, these people are the best. They always deliver what is expected from them, and they even go beyond to a journey through love. And this is the journey of our couple right here, Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. You know what they say? A picture can tell 1,000 stories. More stories I can tell you live here in front. So please allow these images to do the narration of the amazing journey of Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. For our photos, we would like to give a big shout out to EP Studios. And our video is brought to us by The Storyteller. Are you ready? Eyes on the screen and let's all watch this.
Every time I picture this moment, I've been overwhelmed by God's goodness and love. I remember praying to God, asking Him to give me someone to love me as much as I love Him.
Hello, ambok and mama and papa. Mapakasal na gid ang inyo nga agot nga gwapo. Gusto ko lang gid magpa-thank you sa inyo nga wala untag na pagpalangga at suporta sa akon kag sa amon ni Frau. Salamat gid sa guidance ninyo sa life ko kag sa pagpamati kag sa pagbulig sa akon firm. Mapa, gusto ko lang ihang baliwat nga proud gid ko sa inyo kag blessed gid ko katama nga kamo akon parents. I will always and forever be your Toto Serge. I love you po.
Thank you.
Staycation kita.
Seven, kinanglan ni Mama. Pila imo.
Ikaw pas pila sang lima.
Congratulations, and don't forget, we love you so much.
Thank you.
Wrestling.
Ano ba yung
Over the years, we've faced so many challenges that have strengthened our relationship. Though san-san o lang ta naga mag-flurry date sa Macluis subong mapakasalan ta.
The chaos and uncertainty will lead her to the greatest person she's ever known, all in God's perfect time. I stand before you with nothing to give but myself.
You are my light on the darkest days. I promise to be your support, your best friend, and your love. Madam Langga, I promise to love you, to cherish you, and to respect you. I love you.
I stand before you with nothing to give but myself. I can't promise you a life without challenges or disagreements. But I can promise a pillow next to mine, a seat saved at my table, a kitchen filled with music, and a home in my heart forever. I will always remind you that we're on the same team. You, me, and God. Today is only the beginning and the best is yet to come. I love you so much.
Congratulations. Please take this opportunity to give your thank yous or your acknowledgements for all the people who assisted you to make this day possible. Everybody lend us your ears and once again clap your hands. Louder. For Mr. and Mrs. Evangelista. Who would like to start?
First of all, thank you Lord Gidya sa subong adlaw. Thank you sa Evangelista family, kay Mama kay Papa, sa Sheton, kay Manang, kay Manong, kay Storm. Of course, sa kay Mama March, Papa Fred, and Manong Amiel, salamat gid. Sa relatives, sa Evangelista, sa relatives ng Bautista, thank you man. Of course, sa kay Pastor Nilman Kagina, nga naguna na puli. Salamat gid sa mga ninongs and ninangs. Salamat gid sa pag-take time, sa pagkadudiri. I know, busy gid ang tanan, pero thank you gid. Sa mga secondary sponsors man, sa Flower Girls and Bearers, thank you gid. And also sa Bethany family, thank you gid. Sa wala untat nga pagbalangga kapag suporta sa amo ni Frau. And sa akon man nga mga doys, sa previous workmates ko, thank you gid sa pagkadto. Kabalo ko may banlayo pa, pero thank you gid, Doys and Dice. Sa kay Frau man na friends, sa Mega World, kag sa mga previous workmates, yeah, thank you gid guys sa pagkadto. Anywhere and everywhere, salamat gid. Team cashier pagid ko no, salamat gid kag sa pag-ibig nga workmate ni Frau sa mana.
And to our dream team, gusto ko naman isa-isahon man sila because grabe gid ka very smooth gid sang amon nga event today tungod sa ila. To our coordinators, Miss Rhea and sa imo team, highly recommended gid, grabe very smooth gid sa mga mapakasal pada. I really recommend gid Miss Rhea. Sa amon nga sa akon hair and makeup sa entourage namon, Miss Gail and team, thank you gid for making us all beautiful. Sa kay Serge iya grooming, ang The Gentleman, thank you gid sir. Sa amon nga photo and video, Sir EP and Miss Nadine, thank you gid. Grabe, do ka namin pakasaliwat. Sa amon nga decorator, Miss Jessan and team, thank you also. Sa perfume bar, later pwede da kakwa tanan nga guest, Miss Andrea and team. Then sa amon nga MC, si Sir Ernil, thank you, good sir. And sa amon nga mga transportation, Sir JV and team, thank you, good. Sa Pika-Pika, kagina, kay Miss Rhea. Then si Charmaine and Bernice, thank you, good sa pa-coffee cart. Thank you. Then sa amon prenup venue, sa free location, Miggy, thank you, good. And sa amon nga Australian family, thank you, Gid, for the love, support, and see you next month. Thank you, Gid, everybody, nga nagkanto ang inyong presence and love and support sa amon ni Serge. Grabe, Gid. Thank you so much. So, the night is still young.
And so are we.
So are we. Sige. So, thank you, Gid, and God bless everyone. Thank you.
Congratulations again to the both of you. Can we give them another round of applause? To all our guests who came and stayed, thank you. I know it's a Monday and tomorrow you will all go back to your normal lives. After this very long but fun day, again, thank you so much for spending your time and for celebrating love with all of us. God bless all of you. As mentioned by the couple, the night is still young. So it's time to party! And don't forget to grab your free scents from our perfume bar by J.A. Fragrance. As you enjoy the rest of the night, I would like to invite all the suppliers for this evening to please gather in front. Let's have a group photo with the couple. And we would like to say thank you to Sugarland Hotel for our amazing food, our venue, our amazing waiters and staff. Thank you so much for accommodating us really, really well. We love you, Sugarland.